Hi, and welcome to the grade 7 and 8 French language class. Today we are learning about the verb tense, imparfait. Imparfait is used when you are talking about an action that has happened in the past for either a long time or multiple times, compared to passé composé, which is used for one short action in the past or only happening once. To conjugate a verb into imparfait, you use the present tense of the form nous, take off the ons, and then add the terminaison to the present tense. As you can see here, we have the endings of the words, which for je, it is AIS, tu, it is AIS, il is AIT, nous is IONS, vous is IEZ, and il is AIENT. Now we are going to try conjugating the verbs chanter, which means to sing, savoir, which means to know, and être, which means to be. For je, it is chanter. For savoir, it is savez. I would ask the students to volunteer and write the words on the board. Also, for être, it is irregular. So instead of using the present tense form of nous, for être, you begin with the radical E with an accent and ET and add the ending. Oops. Now we are going to try an activity, which is conjugate the verbs. So we just went over être. So for number 1 would be, number 2 would be, and pay attention to this E right here because it is irregular as well. Since we want the word manger to sound like manger with a soft G instead of manger with a hard G. Make sure you pay attention to the pronouns that are used for the verb to conjugate with the correct endings. Now we have some more questions to practice with. And finally, I'm going to end this video with a little bit of fun. So you can turn the wheels. If you click on them, it gives you the pronouns. So we have je so far, and then the verb, which is boire, which means to drink. And then in the past tense. So for the past tense of je, it is j'ai bu. Thank you so much for paying attention.